Hey guys, welcome back to the 2022 small scale group build hosted by BG's Model Shop and Sean at the Scale Model Car Guys channel. And now we're at the point where I am painting the body. This is always the part that I say I'm gonna do first, but for some reason I always end up doing last. It's not really my favorite thing to do, but now I think I'm getting a new love for painting the bodies. This is the first time I've painted in a body with an airbrush. The entire body being done with the airbrush. Usually I do it with spray cans, but I'm trying it now with the All-Clad 2 black base, and I'm really enjoying the process of using the airbrush. I think the reason I didn't like it is because I wasn't really that experienced with it, but I have been practicing and been using it for quite a few different things. And now I'm willing to take a shot during this small scale group build at my first high gloss body paint with using the airbrush. So hang out while I put some color on this thing, and we'll see how it all turns out. It's at this point, after admiring the amazing shine from that paint, it really lays beautifully and it really brings a brilliant shine out. Then I noticed that I must have had some kind of contaminants on the body on top of the primer, because I have fisheyes that are appearing in various areas of the body, the worst of which is on the roof, which totally bums me out to no end, as the paint really does look amazing. But it is what it is, and now I'm gonna try and see if I can just add a little more layer of paint on top of it, because I've already decided that I'm already gone this far. Let's see if I can cover up those fish eyes. So I'm giving it another shot at trying to save it. Well, as you can tell by the half-sanded roof, yeah, my attempt to just try and fill in those fish eyes with more paint didn't work. So a little bit of advice to you guys out there: don't try that. Don't be like me. So now I'm gonna have to sand down the entire paint job and start over from scratch. Now I've got to sand it down till it's smooth, which means I have to get past the low spots in the paint and start all over. So, time to get back to work. We're getting through as if you look really closely, you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the camera, the shiny spots are the low points in the paint where the fish eyes formed. I can see three of them there. So we're just going to keep going until that's totally smooth. There we go. I think that will pretty much do it. We're already down to plastic because we have to go all the way down to the paint. And those fish eyes appeared all really early within the paint process. Okay, so here we have the body completely sanded down, all the way to the point where we've removed all of the fish eyes. We've also managed to clean up some of the paint, and we went through a little bit down to the plastic. And I managed to repair everything that was wrong in the rear, as there were quite a few things in the back of the car that I wasn't too happy with. Some low spots on the plastic, and the hole that I had to fill in. So now it's going to look a lot better once it gets painted. So I'm very happy with the way this is turning out. And now we have to take it back to the paint booth, and hopefully this time we'll have better results. Okay, we're back in the paint booth again for our second shot at painting this model. And we're just gonna go over it again with the black, and hopefully we'll have as good results as we did the first time without the fish eyes. This is the All Clad 2, spraying at about 15 psi. They're black base, and again, it sprays amazing, and it's just a beautiful paint. So hang out with me as I hopefully fix this. Okay guys, here we have the finished product again. Like, you can see how the paint again laid beautifully. It's an amazing paint, and I really recommend it if you guys are looking for a good airbrushable black. This All Clad 2 paint is amazing.